In the US, chances of growing up to earn more than your parents keep falling. And here, too, discontent has been evident, and it has helped precipitate the policy revolution that is now unfolding, reshaping trade, immigration, and many international frameworks. All of this plays out against a backdrop of deep transformation in geopolitics, in technology, in demographics, with populations surging in some places and shrinking in others, and in the mounting harm we do to our planet. What is the result? Exceptionally high uncertainty. Globally, it has shot up and continues to climb. Buckle up. Uncertainty is the new normal. It is here to stay.